Well, I'm standing in front of the Antenna Assembly Building, or the AAB, but it's commonly called the barn around here. This is the building in which the 28 VLA antennas were constructed back in the 1970s through to 1980. Following the construction, it's the place where the antennas go in for maintenance. So every 2 months, one of the 28 antennas will be brought into this barn. The antenna mechanics will get on the antenna, do the complete checkout. Antenna goes back in to the array for service, and another antenna comes back in for servicing. Let's go take a look around the barn and we can point out some of the things that go on here. Behind me is a large red frame which has a very special purpose. Every year or so, an antenna has to be separated into two component parts, the upper from the lower, in order for us to access the azimuth bearing. The bearing occasionally needs to be replaced, and to do this, the antenna is driven all the way to the end. The upper part of the antenna, the yoke, is placed on top of that frame. The lower part of the antenna is dropped and withdrawn so that the azimuth bearing, which is in that housing beneath that rotating yoke arm, can be removed and a new bearing put in. This antenna, number 7, has just undergone an azimuth bearing change. This was done last week, and the antenna mechanics are currently in that antenna, bolting the antenna back together so that the antenna can be properly returned to service. Behind me are a collection of horns. These are the S-band horns, 2 to 4 gigahertz. These horns were manufactured in Albuquerque and have been brought down here and are stored here, awaiting for their deployment into the antennas.